meet again. It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shavon.
And it's Vlogmas Day
7.
7. Yeah, 7. But yeah, guys, Vlogmas Day 7. As you guys see by the thumbnail, the title. Oh, by the way, guys, we are outside. That's why I'm my eyes looking, cause it's like cars are passing by. It's like, you know when a light is in the corner of your eye, you keep looking. Yeah, cause the sun is like reflecting on the cars, and when they pass by.
Okay, guys. So as you all can see by the title and the thumbnail, we are going Christmas shopping. Just a little bit. We're gonna be getting decorations to decorate his room for Christmas. My room, I don't know, but his room.
We're just going there to look, guys. I don't know if we're gonna buy anything.
Yeah, if we see anything, we're gonna get it. But
as I've been saying, this was last minute. We wasn't gonna do Vlogmas at all. So if we wasn't gonna do it, I would plan it out before December. We'd probably have everything by now. So
yeah,
we're gonna go in the store, see what we got, what we're gonna do. If we're gonna buy anything or not. I don't know if we're gonna buy a Christmas tree or not, but if we do, we'll do. You know. Yeah. So generally, guys, we're gonna go open the store. What store we going to?
We're going to Michael's first.
Yeah.
We're gonna go inside of Michael's. All right, guys. We'll see y'all. We'll catch y'all inside of Michael's.
Yes, sir. As you guys can see, we're inside the store.
Put like on the door trim. Which one you want me to
What's that?
$10. These are really cute. We can do this one maybe.
Oh, I like this one.
This one, like this one is 10. You can put it on the door trim. Oh, but it's only one, or is this one too? But I want one that's already on the thing.
What do you mean on the thing?
Like on the thing. I mean, even though this.
Oh, it's 10. Oh.
You wanna get one of those?
I'm just ordering down.
It's like little snowflakes on them.
$10 for this? What is this? Checking here. People spend my checking here for real.
We can get this for the door part. The door. The trim. Door trimming.
Yes, sir.
Want to put a bow on the door?
It match that? What do you guys think? Should we get these other stuff right here? 60% off. Where you was gonna put these?
Like maybe like on the dresser area.
So I would actually also reach all the way over there.
Ladder.
Christmas tree. Guys, I don't know if we're gonna buy a Christmas tree or not. Walmart?
Alright guys, we just left out of Michael's. We didn't really find too much that we were looking for. It was only probably like one item.
Yeah, they didn't have nothing though.
They didn't really,
they had stuff, but
it's not, it's like, I mean, it's cute. Some of the stuff is cute, but it's like, it's not what we're looking for. Well, it's not what I'm looking for. I don't know about babe, but some of the stuff in there that would, like, I could really see, I could put somewhere in the room. But the whole image didn't come together, so we're gonna go. Where we going, babe?
Probably go check Walmart or Home Depot.
Okay.
We want to go Home Depot to check the Christmas tree if we buy one, but we're gonna check Walmart right now.
Yeah.
And then what does he say? He said, what's the other place called?
Home Depot, Walmart, Hobby Lobby.
Yeah.
Hobby Lobby.
Yeah, Hobby Lobby. So
we're gonna try those locations. Hopefully, one of those places have what we're looking for. We just want to do something simple but Christmassy in the room, so it can look nice and stuff. And then we potentially want to get a tree. So yeah guys, we're gonna go to Walmart right now, and we'll see y'all when we get to Walmart. All right. Babe, you're going off and leaving me. Huh? Cause alright guys, we're pulling up to Walmart right now.
Yes, all that garden stuff.
Y'all see all that garden stuff in there? Okay. Can't zoom in on the motherfucker? I guess not.
Ooh, I don't know why. I don't know why it looks like it's hot as hell.
Okay, it's a little. Say, look. Alright, y'all. Huh? Yeah, over there. These are like Renaissance trees. They said no.
We got Christmas trees over there.
Oh, okay. Oh, excuse me.
Stuff is small all the way up.
Oh, for real?
Look at this white one.
Oh, that is beautiful. It comes with lights already? Yeah. It's a... Oh, that is so pretty, babe. Oh, it's kind of dark in here now. Babe, I'm dark. Okay, it's lighting. It's lighting up. It's getting there. It's getting there. Okay, these are the small. Those look the same size over there, though. I don't know if y'all can see those. 35, 35. Babe, what you think?
Those are like your height, kind of.
6 foot. Yeah, I'm 6 foot.
So you see that?
On this thing right here.
This one is taller than me.
They have more up there. Oh, really? Hold this, babe. I think these are the same size as those over there.
Probably.
Alright guys, we are now, oh Lord, the sun. Huh? Okay. Oh, you just worrying about the camera, bruh? What do I meet? What they grab me?
What are they gonna grab you?
I don't know. They snatching people up these days. Alright guys, we are now leaving out of Walmart, y'all. We spent like $300 up in Walmart. We spent $300. Nah, I'm playing. We spent like a little bit. We just got a little bit of stuff right here.
It's not even everything.
This is not everything, y'all. We're not even done. Babe, are you done?
See, you showing me why it is?
Oh, okay guys, this is the one we have right here. We have a 3-foot because we want to put it like on the side of the bed or something. We have 2 3-foot trees, so one is his, one is mine. So we just got a little bit of stuff here in that bag, in that bag, this bag, and then that bag right there. So yeah guys, we're not done. Okay, we just have to leave y'all because we have to run some other errands as well. And we're put it, it's one right there, or you can just put it okay. You one of those people, huh? Yeah. Oh, okay, all right, I got you. So and we also couldn't vlog inside of Walmart, only, you know, because Walmart music is very loud and we don't want to get copyrighted.
There was a lot of people, bro.
And it was like hella people, and every time every time we tried to turn the camera on, like somebody came down the aisle. Every time we tried to turn the camera on and record something, somebody else came, you know, came down the aisle that we were on. So we was just like, forget it, man. We're just gonna show y'all what we got, or, you know, vlog whenever we come out. And also the Walmart workers were dropping stuff.
Oh yeah.
They was dropping everything, so I wanted to make sure I was paying attention just in case they almost dropped the tree on me or something. Accidentally drop a tree on me, because if that happened, I'm suing. Cause they was up in there playing and stuff.
Yeah, there's a lot of females working.
They was playing and stuff, giggling and stuff. Don't be playing when you got a forklift and 50,000 customers inside the store. But yeah guys, so we're leaving Walmart now, go do our other errands, and we're gonna try to show y'all where we go next if we can. This boy here, he is the worst. I'm up in here, babe. Should we get this? Babe, what you think about this? Hey babe, so if we hang this on the door and then put this right here on there and everything, what you think? How that look? And guess what he doing? On his phone the whole time.
I'm doing business.
Nice.
I'm doing business.
Whatever. Alright baby gang, so we are back at the house. We didn't get to go to the other places that we were thinking about going to, only because we ran out of time. And yeah, we ran out of time, and it got dark quick, so we just got the stuff that we was gonna get from Walmart. It's not focusing. Focus on me. Focus on me.
Focus on me.
Okay, so we just have, the only stuff we have is the stuff we got from Walmart. Okay, so we're gonna show you all what we got and what we're thinking of how to set up the room. But to be honest, babe, do you think we got everything we wanted, or this is it? We're not going out for no more?
We didn't get everything we wanted, because the stuff that we got is not gonna make it full, like look like a full Christmas inside of here. You know. But yeah, but I don't know guys. As I said in previous videos, this was a very last minute. We didn't plan anything, we didn't write down anything, we just, you know,
just went there.
Just went and just, ooh, I want that, ooh, I want that. You know,
yeah,
not thinking or anything like that. So, so I don't know, guys. We're gonna see, man. We're gonna think about it. We're gonna hopefully the next what video or two, you guys, we show you guys what we're gonna do. Excuse me. But yeah, the stuff is right there if you want to show them what we got. All
right, here we go. I'm gonna just show y'all. Let me stop rambling, babbling. So guys, we have 2 trees here, one for my side of the room and then one for his side of the room. So we just have these, let me see. Oh, I'm not gonna take it out the box or anything. I'm just gonna show you the box. So these trees are 3-foot pre-lit Winston pine trees. It's a pretty nice size. It's a pretty nice size here. I was actually looking for small trees that can, you know, just be for decor. And that way we can just sit it on top of the dresser, so we don't really have to like put up a big tree in the room. Because I kind of wanted to look festive in the room where we, you know, we film some of our videos and stuff. So yeah, we just have 2 trees, one for my side, one for his side. And so I told babe, go ahead and pick your decorations you want for your tree, and then I'll pick my decorations I want for my tree. So in this bag is, I think it's some of his stuff too. Okay, let me just dump it out like that. Okay, so in this first bag we have some of the ornaments that we picked out. Some of them, not all of them, because I believe we got 4. Let me just grab this one then. Yeah, I believe we have 4 ornaments. So these 2 are mine, of course, because my favorite color is gray, silver. Babe's favorite color is purple, so he got blue and purple right here. These are the mini ornaments. We're gonna use these for our mini tree, so that's why we got small ornaments. This is Babe's right here. He got purple and blue, and then he got some deep dark blue. And then I got, like, you know, I just got the cool tones. I got like a rose gold, gold colors, and then I have silver colors here for my tree. I also have a silver elephant because I love elephants because they're very intelligent. So I love elephants. I just got we got some ornament hooks because they didn't come with any hooks, so we just got a pack of those. What else do we have, baby? This, we have like a little star for the top of our tree. I believe this one is mine. No, Babe's. I think it's Babe's. We got like a little, like 100 count multicolor mini lights. We're gonna use that to go right here in this little gaming section just to light it up a bit. And we have these, like this little, it's for his door. We're gonna use that for the door here. We're gonna use that to put on a door. So what I was thinking for the door, here, I want to like wrap it up like a gift, like it's the actual gift. I want to put like wrapping paper on the door, and then like put this on the door, and also put like a trimming around. Let me see, put a trimming around the around this part of the door. Tape it up there, just so it can look really nice and festive in here for Christmas. So let me show y'all what else we have. We have a tree skirt. This one is for my tree right here. This is for my tree, my mini tree. We have tinsel garland. This is for, what was this for? This was for something, either the tree or the door, but I'm pretty sure it's for one of the trees. And right here I have some tinsel icicles just to like sprinkle on top of the tree. And that was it in that bag. So let me go into the next bag on car. As y'all can tell by the blue, this is Babe's. For his tree, he's gonna wrap this around his tree. And the trees are pre-lit, so we didn't get any lights for the tree. They're pre-lit with multicolored lights. So Babe just got this blue garland right here. He's gonna wrap this around his tree. What else did we get? What else did we get? And so we have another pack of lights, and these lights are going to go on this wall here. So y'all, I'm pretty sure y'all know this wall from our videos. This is where we film our sit down videos, like our challenges and stuff like that. This is where we film it. So we're going to decorate the background. Oh, this is mine. This is my little star for my tree.
No,
this yours?
No, yeah, that's what it is.
I thought you got the white one.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so I got this one for my tree. We have another little tinsel. Okay, I think this one is for the door because it's bigger. So this is for the door. The other ones, I guess, is for my tree. So that's for the door. And then these items right here are going to be for our filming setup, which is right here. So we're going to just like decorate these socks here, these stockings, put our names on it, and then we're gonna like put this up. Okay, so yeah, like I said, we have it says happy holidays. It's just blues. So we got the blue lights here, and we have white stockings. So we're just gonna decorate this wall here. We're gonna decorate this wall here with this with these 3 items right here. So yeah, guys, that was our mini little Walmart Christmas shopping haul. We just have like a few items. We didn't really get a lot because we didn't have time, like I said, and yeah, we almost spent like $300 up in that beat. Shoot, $300. But yeah, guys, this was, I love Christmas. Christmas is one of my favorite holidays. So yeah, guys, I just did all this so we can end the video off, but I wanted to show y'all what we got because I know we didn't get a chance to film inside of Walmart. So I mean, whoever films inside of Walmart anymore? Nobody. But yeah, guys, we're gonna end this video here. Thanks for watching this video. We love you. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment in the comment section. Hit that like button and also hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video. But do you have anything you want to say before I cut this camera off? Comment, and share. Ush. We love y'all. Peace.